Sharp Aquos S2 hands-on review. Introduction. It's not often we have a Sharp device with us for review. Primarily sold in East Asian markets, these devices are hard to come by elsewhere. So, when Sharp contacted us to review their mostly new Aquos S2, we couldn't really say no. The Aquos S2 is a mid-range device in Sharp's lineup. The standout feature for it is the edge-to-edge display that Sharp was the first to bring to market with the Aquos Crystal 3 years ago. Apart from that, the phone comes reasonably equipped, complete with a dual rear camera, making it keep up comfortably with all the 2017 trends. The Aquos S2 is very clearly a mid-range device, down to the Snapdragon 600 series processors and a second rear camera that is only really a depth sensor for the background blur effect and nothing particularly fancy. Even the choice of materials is a mixture of metal on the sides and plastic on the back. This isn't the device you impress your friends with. Still, we were curious to see how this device performed and especially check out that Smilux that Sharp has going on in there. So here's what we found.